Hello guys, welcome to today's YouTube video. Today's video is about Roqqu verification process. I've done similar video like this before, but today I'm going to be showing us how we can do our Roqqu verification so that we get verified. This place over here, when you come on your Roqqu app and they are asking you to do your KYC, this is how to do it. Normally Roqqu app malfunctions sometimes because it's still under development. Mine here, I've done KYC before, but mine is still showing pending. So if in case you're on us like this, or you have not done it before, or you have done it but you have not been verified yet, this is what you have to do to get verified. So once you come over to the app from the home page, you click that profile down here. Once you click on profile down here, you click on verification and limits. You click on it, click on your country, as Nigeria is mine. It's going to take you over to this place. Now from this place, now you see that you need some documents like in type 2 account. You need some documents, and again you also need your to do a video recording of yourself while doing the verification. So let's proceed. So I'll click on one as pending. I'll take me to my browser. Okay, I have to turn on my device location is on. Okay, now it's asking me these are different documents we need to verify. Please get them ready. Bank verification details, I have them. Selfie, then get started. Now I'm going to enter my BVN again as though I've not entered it. After I'm done with this step, enter my BVN and doing a video recording of myself. It is private. I will continue. Let me just rush this. So when I've entered my BVN and my first name and last name, the next thing that's supposed to prompt up is my camera. But when I got to that stage, my camera refused to prompt up. So from the next stage, I'm going to be showing you the steps of what you need to do. In my own case, my own camera refused to pop up. So I'm going to show you what you need to do now. First of all, you have to update your Roqqu app first and foremost. So then you go to Play Store or Apple Store, as the case may be. You search for Roqqu and update your app. After which you've updated your app, after updating your Roqqu app, you update your Chrome browser or Play Store. Make sure it's up to date. So after your Chrome browser has been updated, you set your Chrome browser as your default browser. Make sure you set your default browser on your mobile device. Chrome browser. When you have done this, you restart Chrome browser and make sure you also restart. After you restart your Chrome browser, refresh your Chrome browser, you also restart your Roqqu app and start the KYC process again. So I've updated my app, and when you get to the place of the camera, you click on allow access. So as you can see, mine has been verified as I updated my app. So in case you have similar issue, do all this stuff I've showed you today to get verified, and make sure you follow all the examples I laid out. If you did everything here and you don't get verified, make sure you contact their customer service on the app immediately. I will see you on my next video. If you've gotten any value from this video, make sure you subscribe to this video and like this video. See you on my next video.